Ah, nothing like the sound of an ice auger in the morning. You got him. Hey, moves. We are up here at Torrey Ring and Trail up by Du Bois, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to drill a sight hole, obviously with an auger, and you know, kind of what you need to do, where you need to drill it, what you need to look for. Well, let's jump right into it. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go drill a hole, one hole, and you know, find the depth that I want, because I don't have a depth finder or whatever. I'll find the right depth that I want, and then we'll set up on that location. Alright, we've drilled our first hole. How do I turn this thing around? I stuck my face in there, and it... Did just fall? Anyways, stuck my face in there. It looks to be about, I'd say, about 5 feet. 5-6 feet. So, like right here, we're not that far from shore, as you can see. There's a shelf that runs right here. And I'm telling you guys, you go out like 5 feet, and so we're gonna want to be right here, but I'm gonna go a little bit further that way. Okay, we found our spot. We're getting ready to drill our hole. Let me show you guys a tip if you're gonna be using an auger for drilling sight holes. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go 4 holes by 2 holes, and then we're gonna push that ice under. But if you look right here, you can see how this edge of the blade is hardly over this hole, and what I'm doing there is I'm connecting each hole. That way I don't have to chop. But you gotta go down super straight, or else your auger gets caught up in that hole. So let's drill this thing. Woo! Okay, I just showed you guys precisely what not to do. My auger did get caught in the other hole, and it hurts. And it's definitely not good on your auger. I really need to sharpen my blades. Kyle is cleaning off this hole so I can show you what I was talking about on connecting the 2 holes. You don't want anything connecting right there. Okay, we got our 4 across. Now I'm gonna come 2 this way. And really, I've just got this down to my shack. I got a 2 flip up Eskimo, and it really works good for mine. You can do them however big you want though. We're on our last hole. Ideally, if I can get this hole just right, that chunk of ice in the middle should break right off. Usually doesn't happen like that. Usually I gotta work the auger a little bit, but we'll see how it goes. Oh yeah! Alright, that is exactly what you want. Now that ice chunk in the middle is loose, and watch this, guys. We'll push it out deeper. Now that ice chunk is gone, pretty sure it is. Yep. There's your sight hole. We'll get it cleaned up for you. All right, everybody. Our sight hole, I actually went 3x4. I don't know if that's what I said before. I was thinking 2x4, but let's get the shack set up on that, and I'll show you guys how much illuminated the bottom is. I don't know if that sentence made any sense at all, but yeah, so this is what she looks like. We scooped all of it out. We used the shovel to push all the ice into one corner, and then we scoop it out with the big old scooper. It helps to have a giant scoop, but check out how beautiful this lake is. All right, we'll get the shack set up. Let's get to fishing. All right, we got her set up. Here's what she looks like with all the light in there. Let's get in there. I'll show you straight to the bottom. Okay, guys, straight to the bottom. That's what she looks like. See if we can get some fish on camera for you. That is how you drill a sight hole. There's a brown trout, rainbow trout in here, and a couple of suckers. But if you can see right over there, there's a pretty good log that I think they're probably sitting on. So this is a good spot. Let's get to it.
Oh, he's coming for yours. He got
oh! Shoot! Guys, I don't know if you've seen that, but Kyle and I just both missed the same fish. Oh man!
Oh, he's coming back. He's coming back.
Oh, it's a nice rainbow. See? Oh, there he is. There he is. Let him sit still. Little twitches.
Oh, what a dummy. I actually felt resistance out of that.
He's back, he's back. Oh, got him! Got him! Oh. I am. Well, guys, not the big one like we were after, but... Oops, there he goes! Oops, see you, bud. He definitely was a dumb one. How many times did you go back after that one?
Probably 5 times, bro.
4 or 5 times. Let's get back at it.
Nice.
Here.
Oh,
Grab it.
right on.
Sweet. Tiny guy. Just got that little guy. Not quite what we're looking for, but she'll do.
Damn it. He broke it off, dude.
No. Oh, he just broke Kyle up. Oh no, that was a big. All right, number one thing with sight fishing holes, cover them up, make them visible. I always kick some frozen sledge in there. That way it freezes over quicker. But the last thing you want is for somebody to fall in there. Kyle, would you demonstrate?
No.
Okay.